guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh, please subscribe. Today's video is a hair tutorial for this simple bun look. I really enjoy creating hair tutorials for you guys, and I think you guys like to watch them too. So I thought I'd put out another simple hair tutorial that's quite effective and super easy to achieve. If you want to see how I created this simple bun, then keep on watching. So I'm going to detangle my hair with my tangle teaser. I've got my mirror facing here like always in my hair tutorials. All the tangles out so you can get a nice neat result. I apologise for that, the camera died, but I'm back. I've detangled my hair, so now I'm ready to start constructing the bun. All I need is 2 hairbands, a dense brush to smooth out, and some hairspray. What I'm going to do is tie my hair kind of in like a high ponytail, just where I'd like the bun to sit. Brush my hair backwards in the direction of the bun. Same for underneath. And then what I'm going to do is spray the brush with some hairspray. And then start to tip my hair under. And then I'm going to brush my hair upwards. So now I have my hair almost in a position where I'd like it to sit. What I'm going to do is start to brush upwards and also go towards the back. Keep smoothing that because you want it nice and sleek and you want it to hold. Same for the front. And as you go along, you kind of want to be spraying parts of your hair too. By this point, you are ready to tie the ponytail nice and tight at the top of your head. And as you tie, make sure you're pulling. And now you've got your ponytail, you just want to pull that, tighten it. Once it's up, you can go back over the areas that you were trying to smooth out. So here, the back bit, the front, this side. And then you are ready to tie your bun. You want to twist the base of your ponytail. As you're twisting, you are wrapping it round as well. Keep wrapping round until you form a bun. Once you have your bun in place, you want to then take another hairband and you want to tie it. Put it round the bun, get underneath and bring that round. And that is your bun tied. It looks slightly crazy, that's just because I've got the pink in my hair as well. That's fine because you can like bring up the pink. And it looks like a little swirl of pink ice cream. Now that you've got it tied, you want to get your hairspray and brush again. Spray the brush and then just go over the parts that you were originally just to make sure it's nice and neat and presentable. And then you might even want to spray your bun slightly. And these areas are just like my baby hairs. They can't really be tamed, unfortunately. So I just leave them to hang down. And also, throughout the day, you might have these side bits coming down. But I quite like that. I like to leave my little wispy bits hanging down. And sometimes what I do is straighten them so they look quite sleek and part of the look. That is my simple bun complete. I hope that was quite easy for you to follow and achieve. Also, if you do have shorter hair, it's still possible. You can use those donut sponge things that you can buy in like Superdrug and Boots, and probably super cheap off eBay as well. You can get all different sizes too, and that's a way that you can wrap your hair through to achieve this bun. If you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!